Hi, welcome to another video. It's going to be a pretty quick one now just this week. I'm just going to take one thing I'm going to look at. This adjustable wrench here. This one that we got when cleaning out the toolbox. It's pretty rusty looking around the top, as you can see, but also more importantly, it doesn't work. It's jammed up. So you need to see when we free this up and clean up the tool, and then just try and see what way we can do that. So just to talk quickly through what I'm going to do. First thing I'm going to do is we're going to try and free up the mechanism. We'll give it a squirt of WD-40 in around the mechanism, see if that frees it up. Some oil there that maybe once I'm finished, kind of give it a light bit of oil around the machine parts with a cloth just to keep them clean. But what I want to do then as well is I'm going to take this multi-tool, and we've got a whole selection here of different heads that are for cleaning or whatever else. We'll have small wiring that I have fitted on. We'll have one here that seems to be quite a hard plastic on it. We'll try that with these wee floppy wheels. So a variety of things I'm going to try and use just to clean the rust off this. So after that bit of work, let's see what they went now. This metal wire wheel did this part here, and if you kind of look, it's cleaned it up pretty well, and it's left a nice surface, so that's not actually too bad. Quite like that. This plastic wheel, this part here, no difference at all. Useless, completely useless. The wee sandpaper wheel lid here, I'm not sure if you can kind of see it. It's kind of uneven. It's definitely taken the rust off, but it seems quite difficult just to leave a nice surface there. You can kind of see the markings more on it there. Now if you compare that with over here, it's clean, but it's not as marked. Some more on the other side. Use this stone. It's a polishing wheel, but I thought I'd give it a go anyway. So up here, very little difference. It would be a lot of work to get through. Well, this part at the end, we use this sandpaper floppy wheel. Would get there eventually, I guess, and I guess if I had a fresher one of these, but still looks like it could be quite hard work.